Find the gradient of x square over 25 positive y square over 4 equals to 1 at the point 3, 8 over 5. Gradient is the slope of the curve. Okay, here to get the slope of this curve, we need to get dy over dx from the given equation over here. This dy over dx gives the derivative of y with respect to x. So now we have to find a derivative on both sides of this equation with respect to x. Okay, now let's do it. Here, in this term, we have variable in numerator and constant in denominator. When I find derivative, if there is variable in numerator and constant in denominator, so the constant over here should be kept as it is. That is, let me write the constant 25 in denominator as it is. Now let's find the derivative of this x square with respect to x. When we do derivative for this kind of stuff, that is for a power, what we need to do is first we have to bring this exponent 2 in front of the variable and subtract 1 from this exponent 2. 2 negative 1 is just 1. But x to the first power can just be written as x. So far I have completed derivative only for this exponent 2. By chain rule, I have to do further derivative of this base x with respect to x. When I find derivative of this base x with respect to x, it's just 1. So 2x times 1. 2x times 1 is just 2x. Positive. Now the same thing we have over here, that is we have variable in numerator, constant in denominator. When we find derivative, the constant in denominator should be kept as it is. Now let's find the derivative of this power. So I have to bring this exponent 2 in front of the variable and subtract 1 from this exponent. 2 negative 1 is just 1. Okay, here when I find derivative of this exponent 2, I am getting 2y. Now by chain rule, I have to do further derivative of this base y with respect to x. The derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx. On the right side, we have 1, which is a constant. When I find derivative of a constant, it will become 0. Okay, now let's solve for dy over dx in this equation. Let me subtract 2x over 25 from both sides of this equation. Let me do it. Okay, then this positive value, negative value will cancel out. I am getting 2y over 4 times dy over dx on the left side. On the right side, 0, negative. This stuff is negative 2x over 25. Okay, now let's multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of this fraction. That is 4 over 2y. So the same here, 4 over 2y. Okay, here this 4 will cancel. 2y will cancel out. Okay, here 2 goes into 2 1 times and 2 goes into 2 1 times. We get dy over dx on the left side. On the right side, we have negative 1x. That is negative x. Negative x times 4 is negative 4x. In denominator, 25 times y is 25y. Here I got dy over dx. So this is the slope or gradient of the given curve at any point x, y. But our aim is to get the gradient at the point 3, 8 over 5. So we have to plug in the x coordinate 3 for x over here, y coordinate 8 over 5 for y over here. Okay, now let me do it. So the gradient, let me write the stuff over here. Gradient at the point 3, 8 over 5. Equals to, let's plug in the values for x and y over here. That is negative 4 times 3 divided by 25 times 8 over 5. Here 5 goes into 5 1 times, 5 goes into 25 5 times. Okay, here 4 goes into 4 1 times, 4 goes into 8 2 times. So we have negative 3 in numerator. 5 times 2 is 10 in denominator. Here I got the gradient of the given curve at the point 3, 8 over 5, that is negative 3 over 10.